This is a thinkcentre m800. It runs a 6th generation Intel processor, so it shouldn't support Windows 11. But me being cheap, I could get one of these things for just $70 without the hard drive. And all I did was insert a hard drive and installed Windows 11. Over here it says Pro. Voila! I have everything installed. And let me show you, I think most of the drivers installed too. I had to go to Lenovo's website. So I open Device Manager, you can see there's no exclamation marks, and it looks like everything was able to be installed using the Windows 10 drivers for Windows 11. So long story short, if you decide to purchase a thinkcentre m800 with 6th generation Intel processor, you can install Windows 11, and so far it's running okay. I'll update if there's any issues, but you can get a pretty good deal on one of these machines. I bought one without a hard drive, and it only cost $70. It had the RAM too, so you could probably get a complete system for around $100 something, $150 maybe. So over and out, and I installed Windows 11 on this, and it's up and running. Again, it's not supported, so please note that if you get an operating system update, it could break. But then again, if any of us knows Windows, anytime you get an operating system update, it could break Windows anyways. But they'll support it if it breaks, so you can call Microsoft. But if this breaks on this M800, I'm out of luck. I'd have to figure out the solution myself or reinstall Windows. So just proof of concept, I'm running Windows 11, and it's activated too. So here this is. And let me scroll down to activation. Activated. This wasn't illegal or anything. Just want to mention that. This is all through just installing it and it catching the original Windows 10 license it probably had installed before. So, good to go. Just want to say Windows 11 works on this machine.